Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're playing the game The Polar Express Full Roleplay Beta from, I don't remember the name, and I think the creator Spanish, I think. And today we're on, oh my god, and of course that Polar Express is my all-time favorite movie of 2022 right now as this recording. The movie I love the movie so much, and let's get started. Before we start the train, let's go around the train. Okay, first up, it looks like in the movie, you said P.E., that means Polar Express, of course. And what, oh my, oh, well boy, can I have some hot chocolate, conductor? And let's go, let's start the train. Oh, there. Hey, I'm not sick, guys. I'm just tired. Here we go. Oh my god, guys. I'm on the Polar Express. Oh my god. I'm on the Polar Express. This is cool. Oh, okay. Oh no. We need to get to Hero Boy's house. No, stop. Oh, we're bored! This is the Polar Express here for the train. Hello? I think everyone left already. Oh my god, we're on the Polar Express. This is so cool. Guys, the Polar Express movie was released in, and I mean the Wikipedia of the Polar Express soundtrack. Can I read it to you guys? I will read it to you guys. The soundtrack will soon be released by Water Tower Music. They're re-releasing this this soundtrack of the movie on digital. It's Christmas released November 2nd, 2004. Of course, the movie was released in 2004, and the song "Believe" was released on the same day. And my favorite track, it could be "Believe" and the "Sweet" from the Polar Express, and with the Polar Express, and when Christmas comes to, I love Believe. That's my favorite song, the whole movie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.